Hello and welcome to Spectrum Sphere, your gateway to exploring a plethora of intriguing subjects ranging from the wonders of science to the complexities of technology, the richness of history, and the fluidity of art. Stay tuned as we unravel the transformative power of mindfulness and meditation in today's episode. Today, we delve into the serene realms of mindfulness and meditation, two practices that have taken the modern world by storm, yet stem from ancient roots. We'll discover how they can significantly impact our mental health and provide practical tips for integrating them into our daily lives. Mindfulness is the practice of being intensely aware of what you're sensing and feeling in the moment, without interpretation or judgment. It originates from Buddhist teachings and has been a significant component of meditation practices across various cultures for thousands of years, often used to cultivate self-awareness and compassion. Meditation, a practice as ancient as history itself, serves as the foundation for mindfulness. Born from spiritual and religious traditions, it's the art of silencing the mind to achieve inner peace. Historically, meditation has been a cornerstone in Buddhism, Hinduism, and other philosophies, promoting self-reflection and enlightenment. While both unique in practice, mindfulness and meditation are deeply intertwined. Mindfulness is the awareness of the present moment, achieved through meditation's techniques. Through meditating, we train the mind to focus, redirecting our thoughts to the here and now, which is the essence of mindfulness. Moving on to a crucial point, it's important to clear up some common misconceptions about mindfulness and meditation. Many believe meditation requires emptying the mind, or that mindfulness is inherently spiritual and religious in nature. In reality, these practices are about noticing thoughts non-judgmentally, not eliminating them, and they can be secular. Numerous scientific studies have shed light on the benefits of mindfulness. Researchers have found that regular mindfulness practice can lead to reductions in stress, improvements in attention, and even increases in gray matter density in the brain, which is associated with memory, emotions, and decision-making. Delving deeper into the cerebral effects, meditation has been shown to create pronounced changes in the brain. MRI scans reveal that consistent meditation can thicken the prefrontal cortex, reduce the size of the amygdala, and enhance neural connections, collectively improving emotional regulation and cognitive function. Turning to stress reduction, mindfulness acts as a powerful tool. By focusing on the present moment, we engage the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps slow our heart rate and lower cortisol levels. This biological shift calms the mind and body, providing a natural buffer against life's pressures. Meditation also plays a crucial role in managing depression and anxiety. It teaches us to observe our thoughts without judgment, creating a sense of space from our internal narratives. This detachment enables individuals to recognize negative patterns and fosters a proactive approach to mental health challenges. Now, let's turn our attention to how mindfulness enriches our cognitive abilities. By cultivating a present-centered awareness, we can significantly boost our focus and concentration. Mindfulness trains the brain to return to the task at hand, cutting through the noise of distraction and heightening our mental clarity. Moving deeper into the emotional landscape, meditation stands out as a powerful tool for enhancing emotional well-being. By allowing us to experience our feelings without judgment, meditation fosters a balanced mind, helping us to manage negative emotions with grace and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Now, let's hear directly from those who've made mindfulness a part of their lives. They share stories of transformation, detailing how regular practice has reduced their stress, sharpened their focus, and brought a profound sense of calm to their daily existence. These personal accounts truly highlight the tangible impact of mindfulness. Moving forward, we'll delve into powerful testimonials. We've gathered compelling stories where meditation played a pivotal role in personal transformation, from individuals overcoming anxiety to those achieving greater emotional resilience. These narratives not only inspire, but also illustrate the profound effects that meditation can have on our lives. As we explore further, let's break down various meditation techniques, each with unique benefits. There's mindfulness meditation, focusing on breath and awareness of the present moment. Then, mantra meditation uses a repetitive sound to clear the mind, while movement meditation incorporates physical activity with meditative mindfulness, such as in yoga or Tai Chi. Now, let's practice a simple mindfulness exercise together. Find a comfortable seat and take a deep breath. Close your eyes and notice the sensation of air filling your lungs. Exhale slowly and focus on the feeling of release. We'll stay with this breath, observing without judgment, for the next few moments. Building mindfulness into your daily life doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by setting aside a few minutes each morning to just breathe and be present. You can also practice mindful eating during meals, focusing on the flavors and textures. And remember, even walking can become a meditative practice if you engage mindfully with each step. Now let's take a moment for a brief guided meditation. Find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, slowly fill your lungs, and exhale fully. As your breath returns to its natural rhythm, simply observe it without trying to change it. Feel the calm with each breath. Shifting our focus to applying mindfulness in the workplace, these practices can be powerful tools for managing stress and enhancing productivity. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, ground yourself with a simple object, or even use your coffee break for a mindful pause. For advanced practitioners seeking to deepen their meditation journey, consider exploring techniques like Vipassana for insight, Zazen for Zen practice, or loving kindness meditation to cultivate compassion. Dedicating longer periods for meditation and attending retreats can also profoundly enhance your practice and bring about transformative experiences. As you embrace mindfulness and meditation, it's natural to encounter obstacles. Many struggle with wandering thoughts or maintaining a routine. When faced with such challenges, be gentle with yourself. Remember, the practice is about returning to the present moment without judgment each time your mind drifts away. In today's digital age, technology offers a helping hand. A myriad of apps and tools are at your disposal, designed to support your meditation journey. Apps like Headspace and Calm provide guided sessions, while wearable tech can monitor your heart rate and breathing to enhance mindfulness practice. Now, let's explore how mindfulness nurtures the mind's creative spark. When we're fully present, we're more open to new ideas and perspectives. Mindfulness clears the mental clutter, allowing for enhanced problem-solving abilities. By fostering a state of relaxed awareness, it paves the way for innovation and ingenuity to flourish. Diving deeper, let's consider the long-term effects of consistent meditation practice. Regular meditation not only provides immediate benefits, but can also lead to lasting changes in our lives. Over time, it can rewire brain circuits, increase gray matter density, and improve our overall psychological resilience, fostering a profound sense of well-being. As we cultivate mindfulness, we develop greater emotional intelligence and empathy, which are key in strengthening relationships. By being fully present, we listen more attentively, respond more thoughtfully, and navigate conflicts with a clearer mind. This attentive state nurtures a deeper connection and more meaningful communication with those around us. Now, let's take a moment to shine a light on you, our viewers. We've been moved by the stories you've shared about how mindfulness and meditation have touched your lives. From overcoming anxiety to finding clarity in chaotic times, your experiences inspire us all to embrace the power of these practices. We've received a multitude of insightful questions from you, our curious community. Today, we'll answer some of the most common ones about mindfulness and meditation. How long should I meditate each day? Do I need to sit in a specific posture? Can meditation improve my sleep? Let's dive into these queries. Looking ahead, mindfulness and meditation are poised to revolutionize healthcare and education. Medical professionals are starting to prescribe these practices for various conditions, recognizing their healing potential. In schools, children are taught mindful techniques to enhance focus and emotional regulation, preparing them for a balanced and resilient future. As we wrap up our exploration today, remember that adopting a mindful and meditative lifestyle isn't just a solitary pursuit. It's a step towards greater well-being and connection with the world around us. These practices can offer a profound impact on our lives, giving us the tools to live more thoughtfully and peacefully. That brings us to the end of our journey into the world of mindfulness and meditation. Thank you for joining us on Spectrum Sphere. If you found value in our content, please show your support with a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below.